The Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance SUV is a groundbreaking addition to the luxury car market, offering a blend of high performance, advanced technology, and sustainability. This SUV is the first to feature Mercedes-AMG's exclusive e-Performance hybrid technology, which combines a hand-built AMG 2-liter turbo engine with an electric drive unit on the rear axle. This results in an impressive combined system output of 671 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful hybrid SUVs on the market. The vehicle's electric-only mode allows for emission-free driving under certain conditions, and its 400-volt high-performance battery is designed for fast power output and absorption. This is a significant step forward in the hybrid SUV segment, as it not only offers high performance but also contributes to sustainability. The battery technology is inspired by Formula One, ensuring that the vehicle can deliver high power frequently and consistently. The SUV also features active rear-axle steering, AMG Performance fully variable all-wheel drive, and AMG Speed Shift, MCT 9G transmission, contributing to its dynamic driving experience. The AMG Ride Control suspension with adaptive adjustable damping and AMG Active Ride Control. Active roll stabilization further enhance the vehicle's performance and comfort. At the heart of this SUV is the hand-built AMG 2-liter turbocharged engine, known as M139L, which is the most powerful series production 4-cylinder engine in the world. It also features an electric exhaust gas turbocharger, a technology derived from Formula One, ensuring a spontaneous response across the entire RPM range. The vehicle's operating strategy is derived from the hybrid power pack of the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One race car, ensuring maximum propulsion is always available when the driver accelerates aggressively. This makes the SUV not just a high-performance vehicle, but also a highly efficient one, capable of delivering both power and economy. The SUV also offers 8 distinctive drive programs, ranging from electric for all-electric driving to race for highly dynamic driving on closed courses and racetracks. This allows the driver to tailor the vehicle's performance to suit different driving conditions and personal preferences. The AMG high-performance composite brake system ensures that the vehicle can be brought to a stop quickly and safely, even at high speeds. The system features 6-piston fixed calipers at the front and 1-piston floating calipers at the rear, providing excellent braking performance. The vehicle also features 3-stage AMG speed-sensitive steering and standard rear-axle steering, which adapt to the selected drive program. This ensures that the vehicle remains stable at high speeds while being easy to maneuver at low speeds. The interior of the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance SUV is a blend of luxury and sportiness, designed to offer an immersive driving experience. The AMG Performance seats are upholstered in black exclusive Nappa leather, further enhanced by yellow top stitching. These seats not only provide superior comfort, but also come with Edition 1-inch logos on the front head restraints, adding an exclusive touch to the interior. The AMG Performance steering wheel is another highlight, crafted in Nappa leather and Dynamica microfiber. It features yellow decorative stitching that complements the seats, creating a cohesive and stylish look. The steering wheel is not just about aesthetics. It's designed to offer excellent grip and control, enhancing the overall driving experience. To complete the luxurious interior, the AMG door-sill panels feature yellow illuminated AMG lettering, adding a sense of occasion every time you step into the vehicle. This attention to detail showcases Mercedes-AMG's commitment to offering a high-quality, performance-oriented interior that matches the impressive capabilities of the SUV. The Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 SE Performance SUV sets new standards in the luxury hybrid SUV market. It offers an unparalleled blend of performance, technology, and sustainability, making it a compelling choice for those looking to own a high-performance yet eco-friendly vehicle. The introduction of this SUV marks a significant milestone for Mercedes-AMG and the automotive industry as a whole. It shows that it is possible to create a vehicle that offers both exhilarating performance and environmental responsibility, setting the stage for future developments in this rapidly evolving segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.